Hey, let me show you how we can fix this issue when your USB drive cannot actually fit into the USB-C port on your S25. So in my case, it's not fitting inside the port. So I decide to connect hub into my port like that. Take a look. And right now into this hub, you will have to just connect your USB drive like that. And right now you can just go into settings and simply open accounts and backup and go into external storage transfer and select your USB drive. And as you can see, that's how it actually works. So if you are wondering which hub you can purchase, it actually doesn't matter. It's supported every hub, just to your preferences. If you care about price, you can purchase cheap one. If you care about company, then you can purchase someone from Samsung or any other company. And that's how it actually looks. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.